Hi everyone, welcome to this module. In this module, we'll look into modifying database structures. In earlier modules, we have learned how to create databases and simple tables. Also, we learned how to display data in tables based on certain conditions. In this module, we'll learn how to update and delete data from tables. Also, we'll look into how to know the current structure of the table and alter the structure of the table. So the topics that we will be covering are as follows. First, updating data in a table using the update command. Second, deleting data from a table using delete command. Third, knowing the structure of a table using the describe command. And finally, we look into how to alter the structure of a table using the alter command. Now, let's look at how to update data in a table. The command used is the update command. The syntax is shown here, which looks like this. Update table name in the quotation mark, and then we use set and then column name in the quotation mark, and we make sure that's equal to a new value, and then if you want you can put some condition with the where clause. So basically what it says is use the table given by the table name and change the column name value to the new value based on certain conditions. Now there are some things to note here. First, updates have to be done one column at a time. You can't update multiple columns in one go. Where clause is used to select the rows on which you want to do the updates, and if the where clause is not used, it will set all of the rows of the column name to new value. Now I'll show you how to use the update command in MySQL shell. We have our user details table as you see on the screen, which looks like this. Now let's say Maya gets promoted to senior data scientist and her salary is raised to 150. We need to update the table to reflect these changes, so I need to change this row designation to senior data scientist, and also I need to change the salary to 150. The question is how to do it. As we learned previously, update can be only done one column at a time, so we have to do it in two steps. First, we have to update the designation and then salary, or vice versa. So let's start with designation. So here we say update, and then we type the user details and set the column name designation equals to senior data scientist. And I have to select the rows, so I'll say where name is equal to Maya, and then close with semicolon, and then enter. So as we can see, it says query OK and one row affected. Let's see whether it has done it or not. So we will do one more time. Select star from user details. And as you see, it has updated the designation of Maya to senior data scientist. Now let's update the salary. The query will be similar. So I'm going to take this one and then control copy. And here I will click right, which I'm going to change here the salary, because that's the only one that we want to update, salary. And we want to change the salary to 150. Since it's an integer, we don't use any quotation mark. And that's it. And now we enter. Now let's see the results. So we will again use select star from user details table and semicolon. And as you see, salary is updated to 150. We have updated both the designation and salary of Maya. Now this can be done on multiple rows as well. Just depends on your where clause. So instead of where name equal to Maya, if I just say where name equal to Maya or name equal to John or Ali, it will do it for both the rows. If I remove the where clause and just say update user details, set salary equal to 150, it will change the salary of everybody to 150, which means all the row. And thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to delete data from a table.